Welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to unbox the headset that is just in front of you. It's known as Google Daydream View. It depends upon a mobile device to power it. You need to put the device inside this casing here to view it via the lenses that's in front of it. It's made by Google, so it should be very premium and good quality. So let's look at the box first. This is the front side. This is the side that says Daydream Ready VR. The problem with this one is that you need the compatible mobile devices that are supported by the Daydream API to enjoy the headset. It says in the back side that dream with your eyes open by Google. This is the controller that you need to control the contents inside the headset. So in the back side and in the flip of the side of the box that you can see here, Google Daydream View, it's actually colored kind of grayish, and it includes the headset, a removable top strap, and some controller, USB Type-C cable to charge the controller, and you need to go visit g.co/daydream for different kind of safety and other warranty related information. So let's start the unboxing. As you can see, it's still wrapped in plastic covering here. If you can just pull it off like this. Let's just throw the plastic covering away first. Okay, so this is the box, and how to open it. It's like it's a sliding open box. Okay, it's sealed here. Put it aside. And any other side, yes, it has protective shield on the other side too. Let's remove that. Okay, now it should open up. Here we go. There is some protective foam inside. You can just leave it aside for now. You can see the headset just in front of it, a beautiful box, and the headset is sitting just very nicely. Here you can see the box, some wrappings. You can see the headset, and the lenses are protected with plastic protection shields. Even the wrappings are shielded. Let's open these up. Oh, it's a bit of hard, tightly glued. That's it. Now this one needs to come off too. This is the band that goes over your head. Here you can just adjust the headset with these, and also the top one here. And this is the front panel where you need to put the mobile device. You have to remove this one first. Just pull it off from here, and it will open up a small panel where you have to put your mobile device, and you can enjoy it via closing the door like this. Mobile will be right here in between the front panel and the body of the headset, and you will be able to enjoy the headset from these lenses. Okay, let's put the headset aside for now. Let's see what are there inside the box. There is this controller here. Let's take it out. Here is the controller. As you can see, it has two buttons. One is a home button or a menu button, and one is a click or selection button maybe. And there is also a trackpad, and it also clicks, and it's rechargeable. It doesn't need any kind of battery, so there is USB Type-C port there. And also it has some volume rockers in the side, as you can see here. So this is the controller. Okay, so what's more in the box? There is a small guide, and I think that's it inside the box. There is nothing more, so we can put that aside. What can you see here? Let's take it off. Okay, there is a small starter. Let's get started. Google, a very beautiful card. There is an app for it that's called Daydream app. You can get it on Google Play Store. Get the right fit. You have to, the way you have to adjust the headset, it is diagrammatically shown here. The lab that you are collaborating with has this headset, and the mobile Samsung Galaxy S8 to accompany with this headset. It supports Daydream API. We'll test it later. We'll do an unboxing of the mobile itself too. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed. So that's all the content of this box. Inside the safety guide, be safe and something like that. Let's put it aside. Okay, this one will go here, and the headset, we haven't removed the protective shield from the lenses because we're not going to use it now. We'll use it later, so stay tuned for the review of the headset itself and the unboxing video and the capabilities of the Samsung S8 to run Google Daydream API. So that's it for the unboxing of today. Let's close the cover. Okay, oh, that should be on the opposite side. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.